Valmiki Sam Menezes for oath. May I request Honorable Additional Judge Sri Valmiki Sam Menezes to occupy a seat besides Honorable Senior Most Judge. May I seek your Lordship's permission to read out authorization and warrant of Honorable Additional Judge Sri Justice Valmiki Menezes. Authorization. Ramesh Bais, Governor of Maharashtra, Raj Bhavan, Malabar Hill, Mumbai, dated 23rd March 2024. In exercise of the powers conferred upon me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Ramesh Bais, Governor of Maharashtra, do hereby appoint Sri Justice M.S. Sonar, Senior Most Judge at High Court of Bombay at Goa, as the person before whom Sri Justice Valmiki Sam Menezes shall, before he enters upon his office as Judge of the Bombay High Court, make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule to the Constitution. Signed, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. Warrant. By virtue of the power vested in me by clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Justice Valmiki Sam Menezes, Additional Judge of the Bombay High Court, to be a Judge of the Bombay High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 20th day of March in the year 2024, in the 75th year of Republic of India. Signed, Honorable President of India. May I request your Lordship to administer oath to Honorable Additional Judge Sri Justice Valmiki Sam Menezes.
I, Valmiki Sam Menezes,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Bombay,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Bombay,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or evil,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I request your Lordship to present warrant to Honorable Additional Judge Valmiki Sam Menezes. Over to Mumbai.
May I now request Honorable Sri Justice Kamal Rashmi Khata to